How to fix Roblox not launching. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. As you do that, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for the Roblox application. So tap on the search bar and just search for Roblox, just to make sure you have an updated version of the application. As you can see, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Roblox application. So we're going to go back to the home screen, or we can just drag up the app list and make a long press on Roblox application. Here you can see the option of app info, so tap on it. And as you tap on app info, you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply you can select on that and you can clear the cache, and if possible you can delete all data as well. So after that you can just relaunch Roblox and this might help you fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.